Hello everyone, this is Raksha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Currently I am studying in a 6th semester. Today we are going to discuss on the topic computer graphics and visualization. The contents the topics which we are going to study in this session is 2D pipeline, 3D pipeline, RGB and CMY color model. 2D pipeline. The term weaving pipeline describes a series of transformations which are passed by a geometric data to end up as an image data being displayed on the device. The 2D pipeline describes this process for 2D data. Here is a block diagram for the 2D pipeline. Firstly, the object code is passed, then the construction of object code and scenes takes place, and then the word coordinate take action. The definition and mapping of the plus orientation takes place in the word coordinates, and then weaving coordinates, the projection onto the unit image region, then normal device coordinate transformation to the device, and then device coordinate takes place. And then comes the line clipping. Line clipping is a method of cutting away parts of a picture that lie outside the displaying window. The earlier clipping is done within the weaving pipeline. The more unnecessary transformation of the part which are invisible anyway can be avoided. This is the example of a line clipping. Here the P6 and P10 are outside the window, and even the line P4, P3 is outside the window, so that it is got clipped. And even the P5 is outside the window of the P5 is outside the window, and then until the window it has cut into P5 dash, so it's present until there. And even for P7 it's similar in the case P7 and P8 also. Clipping line, it can be done through the Cohen-Sutherland method. Here is an example of the Cohen-Sutherland method. The OR is a code of the codes is 0000, the line completely visible, and we will do AND operation for the code. If it is not equal to the zeros, then the line is completely invisible. Otherwise the intersection the line with the relevant edge of the window and replace the cut away point by the intersection point. Go to 1. Intersection calculation with a vertical window edges y is equals to y0 plus m, xw min minus x0, y is equals to y0 plus n, and xw maximum minus x0. For horizontal window, x is equals to x0 plus y w minimum minus y0 divided by m, and x is equals to x0 plus y w maximum minus y0 divided by m. By this method we can calculate the line clipping. 3D pipeline, the construction shape of an individual object in a scene within modeling coordinate and place the object into appropriate position within the scene. That is called the word coordinate. The world coordinate position are converted into a weaving coordinate. The convert weaving coordinate description of the scene to coordinate position on the projection line. A two-dimensional clipping window corresponding to a selected camera lens is defined on the projection plane, and a three-dimensional clipping region is established. This clipping region is called the view volume. Then first the modeling coordinate transform into the modeling transformation, and then the word coordinate come to action, and then weaving transformation takes place. Then the weaving coordinate takes place in the projection transformation. Here the projection transformation is an extra object compared to the 2D weaving pipeline, and then it comes to the projection coordinate. From projection coordinate it goes to the normalization, transformation and clipping. From normalization coordinate it's moved to the weave transformation, and then the direct coordinate. This is the block diagram of the 3D weaving pipeline. RGB color model. RGB color model stands for the red, green, blue color model. The red, green, blue are the basic colors which are used in the graphics. Any method explaining the properties or a behavior of a color within some particular context is called the color model. Primary color, the hues that we choose for the source are called the primary color, and the color gamut for the model is set of all colors that we can proceed for the primary color. Intensive color concept. An artist create a color painting by mixing color pigments with the white and black pigment to form the various shade, tints and tones of scents. Here is a color model representation. In the x-axis we have taken a red, in the y-axis we have taken green, in z-axis we have taken B. According to that we have mentioned the coordinates. For red we have taken 10x, green 10y. Between the red and green there comes the yellow, and between the red and blue there comes the magneta, and between green and blue there comes the can. This is shown according to the, and in the coordinate points it is shown a black. CMY color model. A substrate color model can be formed with a three primary color, can, magneta and yellow. A unit cube represent the can, magneta, yellow model is shown in the. As I have said in the earlier slide, between the red and blue it comes green, it comes the magneta, and here it comes the green and white. You can see according to the diagram we can see CMY color model. Thank you for visiting the video.